Hey guys, we're back again a few hours later, and Dalton came by with his, what is it, what year is it?
98.
98 hatch. Stance Nation, you know? So Dalton, what's all done to your car here?
Ratchet shit.
Ratchet? Alright, alright. See, we got some Ricer active seats in here. Just installed, you know? NRG quick release and a Momo wheel. It's probably the most expensive stuff on the car.
That, you got reps of reps. 15 by plus 20, fucking 195/60 monster truck tire.
Yeah, monster truck tire. Let's see the engine bay.
Oh. I want to see my Y7.
Hopefully save that one. Here we are. This is where all the magic happens.
Bruh.
Bruh. Self-painted engine bay.
Fuck, taping anything off. Oh.
Oh.
I might want to put that back on. I put brake fluid in it earlier.
Just to leak it all out again?
Basically. Yeah, I got a lot of fluid in there.
Yeah, you might need that back on.
Yeah. You see this still wobbly shit? Yeah. Fuck them.
Looks pretty good for self-painted, just not taping anything.
True. Fuck them. Couldn't be JDM and take my front bumper off.
Yeah, be JDM with your bumper.
Come on.
Step one's the grill.
Techless. It's too fucking rainy to be doing all this.
Mm-hmm. Doing it for the one subscriber that we have, which is you.
Just me. How much room do I actually have? Oh, too much.
Too much room?
Yep.
It's like
5
inches. Fingers. Yeah. Well, there you guys have it for this one. Dalton's EK hatch.
That's how it is.
Saudi.
Did she start out?
Yeah, I guess, well,